Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on cultural experiences with Viator easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Viator website. Once on the home page, you will see a search bar prominently displayed at the top. Enter your desired destination or the specific cultural experience you are interested in. Click the search icon or press enter to explore available options. On the results page, you can narrow down your choices using the filters on the left side. These filters allow you to specify your preferences such as price range, duration, and activities. Browse through the list of experiences and click on any that catch your interest for more details. Read the description carefully to understand what is included in the experience. Take note of the user reviews and ratings to gauge the quality of the experience. If you see an experience you like, check if there are any special promotions or discounts available. To save more, consider signing up for the Viator newsletter to receive exclusive offers. Once you've chosen an experience, leverage any available coupon codes during the checkout process. Proceed to book your selected experience by clicking the Book Now button. Fill in the required details, including your travel dates and number of participants. Before finalizing your booking, review your selections and ensure everything meets your expectations. Complete the payment process and keep an eye on your email for confirmation details. If you have any questions or need assistance, Viator's customer service is available to help. Enjoy your cultural experience while knowing you saved money along the way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.